As a part of email marketing feature, what we have done, you can attach labels to your incoming subscribers. Now you can enroll them free into the courses. So what you can do, you can select your subscription form component, and within the actions tab, you can basically select the free courses that you want your subscribers to be enrolled in. So I'm just going to show you, for example, yeah, I can take the form example of this pop-up. If you go to actions, we added the courses. So the subscription labels we already showed you. For the courses, we will show you all the courses of your platform. So what you can do, you can select the course from here, and you can add multiple courses. And once any user is subscribed to your subscription form, they will be automatically enrolled into these courses freely.